we're making the jewelry by ourselves. If you are interested in handmade, here will be a nice place for you. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, then I wrap the 2 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, Sabine. Happy to see you. Here. This. Tight. Yeah. Thank you. Hello, I'm Wilson. 他有付过钱吗？ Your total box is 229, my dear. 229, and Wilson, you get the this your box. Stella will send you picture later. 229, my dear. 229. Here. Thank you. And here we wrap 2 times, and wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we do it here. Then let's just try to cross, make it like a opposite heart. So you understand what I mean. It's a heart here, but when you see this one, this is also a heart look here. This. Okay. Here. It's done. Let's put a bead to close this. Okay, I'm here to use a bead. Maybe use a fresh water pro. Hi, Tiger Lily. Happy to see you. So here, I'm use the fresh water pro here. A little bit too big. Yeah. Thank you, my friends. Long time no see. We have not go live on this channel long time. Yeah. here, this here, go okay, here it's cross this way. So here, okay, so it's here, and then we wrap 2 and tight, and this one the same, tie, then we wrap 2 then 1 here. It's a very simple charm that we made. Cute piece. Okay. Okay. Here. Thank you. Then we cut. We can cut, fold it, and make the loop here. It's here. We are fold. Okay. Here. And we fold. Here. Okay. So it's a charm done. Hi, Southern Crabber. Happy to see you. Then let's attach it by a chain to hang on. Make it a dingle. Okay. We use the loop chain. Use sparkly chain. Yes, going to just use a smooth chain. Very simple and basic chain we're going to use. Okay. No. Okay, basic chain here. I feel the basic cable chain is the best because charm is simple charm, We are not going to use the other very beautiful chain to make the, yeah, here. Okay. Then we cut. I am going to cut it 18 inch. Cut it 18 inch. And separate it to 2-piece seam. Thank you, my friends. If you are first time in my live streaming, thank you to follow me. 你看一下现在有多少人？Thank you。但是这种流量其实是假的，看去人很多。Here. It's a channel here shows you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. Maybe we go to use the pearl to wrap it because jumping here is a little bit too small. Thank you. Okay, cut. Then let's make a loop here. Fold it here. It's here make a loop, and we hang on the loop at the charm here. Yeah, the charm here. Then tie it here and cut here. So 2-piece. Why we use here is the 0.5. Thank you to follow me, my friends, if you are first time in my live streaming. Here. This way. And touch here. So here is a very basic technique that you can learn here. It's a basic technique, you learn it, and I'm sure you will be happy when you got this technique. Here. This. Hello, Rondia. Happy to see you. Fold, wrap it. Then we attach a chain. Yeah, a tutorial on how to make a nice charm necklace. Do shipping worldwide. Worldwide. Where are you from, dear? Here. This. Here, Swedenland. No problem. My best friend, she is also Swiss. Yes, no problem. No problem. $50 free shipping. Yeah. This. $50 free shipping. You can order, no problem. This. Fold. This. The touch here. This. And the wrapper. And the wrapper. Okay. So, you see, it's a necklace that's way down. Then let's touch with the clasp at the end. Except the basic robust clasp, we have the spring clasp. Here. This is a surprise of the charm. Actually, at the beginning, I feel a little bit lost that what's the design going to make by this heart. And I just start. But actually, I don't know what is the next design when I wrap the wire. Finally, just it just cross. Then I find it's not bad. Come out. So a very happy surprise. Okay, here. Thank you. Yes, sometimes it's always interesting when you don't know what to do. You just start. What go on the way? Then sometimes the way will show on your front. And I think it's also for people when you feel lost where to go. Then you just walk. Maybe one day way is in front of you. Here. So interesting. Then it give you a good surprise. Thank you. So we just done a necklace by a surprise. I think it's not bad. Yeah, it's a nice charm. We find a new way how to use this heart. And the heart is stainless steel. You see here with my finger mark. And I used some cloth to clean it. Okay, then it's become shining. Okay, so it's shining here. Okay, so I love this surprise. Good surprise for me. Okay, here I cut the chain longer in 18-inch. But if you want to make it short, you can make it 16-inch. Yeah, because I know most friends in my live streaming, we are ladies that need the size a little bit bigger. So here, this, yeah. So it's done.